Hey everyone, this is teacher Harpreet and I'm back with another video on making fitness fun at home. For today's activity, we'll be making a sock ball, for which we need a pair of socks, and make sure you use a washed and clean socks for this activity. So let's get started. First thing, you need two socks, pair of socks. Then you're gonna lay them on the top of each other like so. Make sure the open ends of the socks and both toe ends of the socks matches. Then I'm gonna start rolling the socks at the toe end all the way to the top. Now, open end which is on the bottom, you need to hold it down and use your other hand to wrap it around to cover the rest of the sock. Let's see once again. Now squeeze it into a shape of a ball. So our socks ball is ready to use for our PE classes. I hope you have learned making your own socks ball. Keep rocking. See you when you see me back. Bye bye.